Hey, what's up guys? This is Andrew Mil-Spec with Combat Training. In this video, I'm going to say it again, do not rechamber previously chambered rounds. Don't pick up ammo off the ground and use it, okay? It's dangerous. Now, I just shot a video about how to properly load a AR-15 and the things not to do besides that. Habits to break. Watch that video if you haven't already. But I caused a double feed during that. Now, if you're picking up rounds off the ground, you can pick up a round just like this. Basically, if you look at it, let me see if we can see it. You see that little dent right there? Right. Now, getting a dent like that, especially if it's lower on the cartridge, can end up causing the rifle to get bound up where you can't even rack the bolt back because the structural integrity of the cartridge has been ruined, right? And there's a dent, which makes it thinner at this part of the bullet and wider at other parts, excuse me, of the brass. Now, anytime you chamber a round, you are ruining the structural integrity of that round, of the brass, the projectile. You could be pushing the round in deeper, or it could be getting pulled out further. Now, I actually had a Fiocchi full metal jacket 9mm round, I don't know, like 8 months ago. I went to unload my pistol and the bullet was stuck in the chamber and the brass and powder fell out. So hey, that's just stuff that can happen. If it's for fighting, if it's ammo that you would take to a fight, don't pick up previously chambered rounds. Now, this round, I'm just gonna end up pulling the bullet off with some pliers and then throw it away. But if you got a bunch of previously chambered rounds, like you're unloading your gun to clean it or do dry practice, stuff like that, put that all in a bin or all somewhere that's separate from your, fighting ammo, and you can shoot that later or pull the bullet out, discard it, bring it to a police station with an amnesty, that thing that collects ammo or whatever, but don't take that to the fight. It's dangerous, okay? Also, don't stop buying reloads. It's like, you trust your buddy to do reloads? Why? There's plenty of people that make good ammo that doesn't blow up in your face. Use that stuff. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. For sure, check out my website, combatraining.com. I got rifle slings available there. Sign up for a class. Sign up for a class with anyone. I have interviews on my channel. Watch those interviews. Those are all great instructors I highly recommend that you train with, okay? Now, take care and keep fighting communism.